Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. Are you looking for a reliable microwave that's compact, powerful, modern in appearance, with a one-touch quick function touchpad? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite feature using this high-powered Hamilton Beach stainless steel microwave. But first, let's check out the convenient features. It's a high-power 900 watt with approximately 1 cubic feet capacity. It includes a one-touch touchpad, which uses the express cook feature by pressing the pad from 1 to 6. For example, 1 being 1 minute, 6 being 6 minutes. Equipped with a bright LED display with a convenient clock feature. It has easy wipe clean stainless steel finish, 10 power levels, and a child-proof feature. We also enjoy the power, the ease of use, and the heat retention. Now let's look at my favorite feature. You guessed right, the one-touch touchpad. I conveniently press 1 to reheat for 1 minute. Now it's time to enjoy my coffee. If you need to replace your microwave plate, they're 10.5 inches and the product link is in the description below. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.